The man sat up straight and told them. Now, the man who was sleeping, he sat up straight and told them, listen to me carefully. Now, he's saying, listen to me carefully. The two of you together had 5 parathas. Now, he's saying that two of you had 5 parathas together. 3 Ramesh, 2 Suresh. When the stranger joined you, now there were 3 of you. So now if you divide each parathas into 3 pieces, okay, now each parathas if you divide into 3 pieces, that means 5 into 3 is equal to 15. That makes 15 pieces in all. If 15 pieces have to be eaten equally by 3 people, each one will get 5 pieces. Obviously, जब 3 लोगों ने 15 parathas खाने हैं, so everyone will give 5 parathas each, okay, equally. Now Ramesh, from your parathas you had 9 pieces, okay, you had 9 pieces, of which you ate 5 and gave the stranger 4, okay, and gave the stranger 4. Suresh, from your 2 parathas you had 6 pieces. Because he divided the 2 parathas into 3 pieces, okay, 3, so he got 6 pieces. Of these 6 pieces you ate 5 pieces and gave 1 to the stranger. I hope you are understanding. Of these 5 pieces you gave 1 to the stranger, okay, and ate rest of the 5. So the man got 4 pieces from Ramesh and 1 from you. 4 pieces from Ramesh and 1 from you. To make a fair decision of 5 coins, he gave, okay, Ramesh should get 4 coins and Suresh should get 1. Ramesh should get 4 coins because he gave 4 pieces of his parathas and Suresh gave only 1 pieces of his parathas. So Ramesh should get 4 coins and Suresh should get only 1 coin. Now Suresh was very much upset. Why? Because earlier he was getting 2. उसको पहले 2 मिल रहा था जब रमेश ने उसको दिया था. When Ramesh was giving him 2 coins and he was keeping 3 coins with him. Now he was very, very much upset because now it's even lesser than the earlier. Okay, now he's only getting 1. So he had to agree, because earlier he agreed that whatever man will decide, we will agree to it. So Suresh was very upset about this division. His share was even less now, but he had to agree with this clever bit of maths. I hope you have understood what is divide. Divide means किसी चीज़ को किसी चीज़ से भाग करना. Divide, okay, किसी चीज़ को किसी चीज़ से divide करना. So this way, what we learn from this story is that whatever you are getting, you should be happy with that. You should not argue, or you should not feel bad about it. Whatever you are getting, feel contented. Means you should be satisfied. Yes, you should urge to do more, but you should not be very greedy. Here Suresh was earlier greedy, that I also shared the food, I should also get the half of it. But now here his share is even lesser than the earlier. Earlier he was getting 2, now he is only getting 1. So this way this story ends. I hope you have understood this story. If any doubt still arises, you can again ask. Thank you so much.